Hello and welcome back, loves, to my channel. And why did I do that? Why do I always, I'm a hand person. And just welcome back, loves, to my channel. I am going to be filming today on the beautiful Blue Blood. Isn't she pretty? Oh, why do you have to make me dark? But yes, I'm going to be filming on this beautiful palette today. I'm also going to insert swatches for you guys. Look at those colors. Like, okay, my nails do not go with this color, but it's no problem. It's no problem because I already had them painted like this. But I'm going to do two different looks. Okay, I'm going to do like a drastic one on an eye, and then I'm going to do something that you can actually wear out. Because a lot of people look at this and they're like, I can't really wear most of them. Most of them you can. It's the darker ones over here. It's the darker ones that you're like, what am I going to do? But I cannot wait to play with this. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into it. I'm going to show clips, you know, rushing through it. But I'm also going to talk about the colors that I use and how I felt they work. I already did my face, which I'm hoping that this does not have a lot of fallout. I use his red blood. blood sugar, right? Blood sugar palette. Oh my god, I can't believe it. It's right there. I used that one and I didn't have much fallout, and I'm talking about that I used red colors and burgundies, so it should have been. But I have learned throughout time that when you dab lightly, you're gonna have no problems. That's why I like to build up. If you go in with too much, then obviously the excess falls out. So try that if you ever have a palette, because I have a lot of Anastasia Beverly Hills palette that they're known for fallout, and I really don't have much fallout. So unless it's glitter. That's a toughie. But just go in lightly. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we are winging this, guys. We are winging this. I'm gonna go in with Celebrity Skin, dab off the excess, and I'm gonna use that for my crease color. And what I'm going to do, this obviously is going to be the eye that's going to be a little more dramatic. I'm not going to go into doing any type of like crazy extensive look, because we will be here forever. Mind you, those type of looks take a while. And when I do those looks, I think I might have just done one on YouTube. Most of my looks are on Instagram. So when I do those looks, I go, I don't usually film them because it's too much. But if you're ever interested in seeing that, then I can definitely, you know, do it and just cut it out from pieces by pieces. The next color I'm going to go into, and I'm winging this, guys. I'm seriously, like, really winging. Oof, this cease is beautiful, but it has a shimmery. So I'm going to go in with Blue Monday. Yes, Blue Monday. And what I'm going to do is, instead of talking through this whole thing, as I dip in, I'm going to put the little name on the corner, so that way you know what I'm dipping in. So we're not here forever. I don't want you guys sitting here for a long video. So here we go.
Made a map with all the stars, so you know you're not too far away from me. You're in light when it's my dark. I know this distance makes it hard for us to see. I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see you. I've been sleeping alone, I don't wanna let go. I can't forget you.
Up in the stars, now I know I'm not too far away from you. I want you back inside my arms. This distance got me feeling so alone. It's true.
I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting
So I already finished my right eye, which is probably your left. But I did my right eye, and I didn't have fallout to the end when I started to use Undertaker and then applying Blue Monday again. So I have Undertaker here, Blue Monday here, Ice Tray right here, and Cullinan. I'll put the names, but that's what I have on. I started with the crease. I started with Celebrity Skin, and then I went ahead and put Blue Blood. But those two mixed together kind of make a green. On the monitor, it looks a little bit like it, but in person, I can see green and maybe more of a blue on the outer edge. But no biggie. So next time I would have just gone in with Blue Blood instead of mixing it. But like I said, I'm winging this. This is me just coming up with this stuff on my own. I did have a little problem with Blue Monday. As I applied it, I have to tap it instead of blending, because once I was blending, it was like removing certain spots, and I'm like, no. So I'm not sure if these are pressed pigments. I want to say they are, and I'm going to verify that, because I know some of the ones in his blood sugar are pressed pigment, and pressed pigments are very difficult to blend. You need to dab them down and blend lightly. So that's what I did. I made it work, so there's not really any like patches there. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye, and then I'm still going to insert the names, but even though I told you I'll still insert them, that's not a problem. I'm going to do the other eye, and let's see what I come up with that. I'm looking at some colors like, there was one that I really wanted to go into, which was that Ocean Eyes, but we have many more videos of many more looks, so let's go ahead. Why is this falling? Let's go ahead and get into it.
Made a map with all the stars, so you know you're not too far away from me. You're in light when it's my dark. I know this distance makes it hard for us to see. I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see you. I've been sleeping alone, I don't wanna let go. I can't forget you.
Up in the stars. Now I know I'm not too far away from you. I want you back inside my arms. This distance got me feeling so alone. It's true. I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see you. I've been sleeping alone, I don't wanna let go. I'll be waiting.
Okay, so here is the look, and to be honest with you, the only way I could have made this eye more subtle was to just be using like their lighter colors, which I didn't. So let's scratch off a wearable look, and let's just say that we have two different looks because I wanted to dab into as much colors as I can to show you guys how they look and also to tell you how they work. On this side, what I recommend with these colors, I probably use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow, I actually use 15 colors. 15 colors out of, what is it, 6, 12, 18 colors. I can't count. Out of 18 colors, I've used 15. So really, I only have 3 left, which was Power. What's the other one? Oh, I used all of them. Cremated and Wealthy were the only 3 that I did not use from the palette. Okay, going back. I used Crystal Flesh right here, which, wow, you saw my expression, and I'm pretty sure you set the same expression when I applied that on. That was very vivid. So is Ocean Eyes, which is down here, and Entitled. Beautiful colors. This one, what I recommend is probably wetting the brush so it could adhere, or start very lightly. Because I almost messed up because I didn't think it was that intense. I mean, it looks intense, beautiful. These colors have to be pressed pigments, because they, at first, you know, like you apply them and then they kind of like get blotchy, but then they work. So I would definitely recommend using a more compressed brush. Don't use like I used this Morphe 433. It's not bad because it worked. And, you know, as long as I dabbed and then I went ahead and like slowly blended, it worked. But if you use something more compressed, more of this style, it works just a little bit better. For overall, I feel like they blended pretty good. There weren't like some that I've tried. I'm not going to say names. I'm sure you all know and heard about it. But they definitely blended way better than that. They like worked together, because this started off a little bit scary, and slowly but surely, you know, I got it to work. It's just keep on blending, guys. This is my biggest thing that I tell anybody that ever asks me, like, you know, how do you do it? It's a lot of practice and a lot of blending. Blend until you can't blend no more. In this inner one, I do recommend wetting the brush because it helps for the color to be intense. Of course, I use 2 matte colors. What I really recommend for those inner corners is shimmeries, but I wanted to use different colors, you know, as many colors as I could, so that way I could talk to you guys about it. Overall, I really like it. I have three different lipsticks. I have this blue from Wet n Wild. I also have Can't Relate from Jeffree Stars, and I have Baddest Beige. I'm going to go ahead and show you the 3 colors, starting from the lightest to finishing off with the blue. So I'm just going to insert basically how it looks. I did go in a little bit on my cheeks with the Aurora Anastasia because it's the only one that, has like a blue highlighter right here. It kind of looks like a little green in there, but trust me, it's a bluish. It's called Orion. It's a bluish. So let's go ahead and do the lipsticks.
I'll be waiting for you.
So this one is, the shade is Teal. Teal is like a mix of a blue and a green, and it kind of goes real good with this eye. But overall, if you want something bold, you can do this. I think I had other blues, but I didn't check the other drawer where the lipsticks are, but hey, it is what it is. But these are the 2 different eye looks that I did with the Blue Bar palette. Overall, I'm actually happy with it. I think with any palette, you have to practice and figure out what brushes work best and what tricks or methods, you know, work best to make a palette work. I love it. They're beautiful colors. There's some other color variations that I would like to do, but this is just like what I came up on the top of my head. This is, for me, is the type of palette that you do very elaborate type looks. Like if you guys seen most of his pictures, his promotional pictures for this palette, I mean, these are gorgeous. Like, I wanted to put the whole face blue, but I'm really leaving out. It's a little too much. But this is what I came up with. I hope you guys like it. I definitely recommend it. If you are a blue fanatic, definitely this is for you. Other than that, I've inserted, like you saw earlier, the swatches and stuff like that, so that way you guys can see how they swatch. And that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit like, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you know when I upload next. And if, like I always say, if you have any suggestions about videos you want to see, let me know and I will go ahead and film that for you guys. Last thing, you can pair this up with lashes. I'm not going to go there, so I'm just trying to show how it works and the looks. But I am going to use this in the future again, make another video for a third look, which will match, and there I will put the lashes and show you how everything works. But this way you can see the colors and how they blended, and whenever I get a better camera, you'll see it better. But this is it. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. Please don't forget to stay positive in this world. It's very difficult. I've had a crazy week, but with so many different things thrown at me, but we survive it. And that's all we can do. So if you fall, if you feel at your lowest, don't worry. Tomorrow's another day and you will feel better. So just look forward to that. Just think this is only 15 minutes of horribleness. Take care, guys. I'm going to go ahead and insert. Actually, I'll probably be inserting. Okay, let me redo that again. Cut. Delete. Should walk around like this. I have to go do some errands. Can you imagine people looking at me like she is undecisive? Yes, I am. There's some serious butthole problem. Oh my god, I'm like, ew, that's TMI, right? TMI. I said